Hello and welcome. It's Jilly Cube and today I'm pouring on this MDF placemat. It's I think it's a MDF placemat. It was bought from Target, so they're about $3. So they're really good to pour on. You can either use them, pour on it and make them a clock by putting the drilling through there and putting your clock fitment on. You can make them into a wall hanging. You can add some wall hanging hardware on the back, or you can have them as a skillet, or anything. It's the world is your oyster. So what I'm going to do to begin with, because I want to put it on my spinner, is I'm going to just get this. I always do this before I with my gloves on, and it never works. It's basically just to create a double-sided sticky thing to press it on my spinner. It just will help it not spin off the spinner. So it's just an easy quick fix. I'm just finishing this beauty that you would have seen the video for, and I have resined it, and I've put some dragonfly glaze in the resin. I embellished it with a bit of Postal pens, and I framed it. So it's a beautiful, beautiful piece. Really, really happy with that. But just thinking that I must move it from there in case I spin and the paint goes all over my new piece. This one, going back to this MDF, these are already painted on one side when you buy them. These particular ones, they're not painted on that side, but they're painted on that side, so I do not bother putting another coat of paint on them. They're ready to go and they don't warp at all. So really good little thing to, if you can find them, like I said, $3, so you wouldn't even get a round canvas. I think they're 40 centimeters round. So I am going to do on this one, I'm going to do a black navy base, and I'd mixed this up a few days ago, so I'm hoping it's just right consistency. Let's give this a go. And nothing comes out. It's not good, is it? So if you find that your paints are blocked up, if you do make them up, just stick a skewer down and hopefully that will alleviate any blockages. Try it again. Oh, there you go. So that seems a nice thickness. I might just spin that around and see, spread it for me. Nice easy way to spread it, isn't it? Let's give that another go. Go around the other way now. I think it's still coming off the spinner. Silly Jilly, I probably should have done it a little bit more sticky stuff on it. That's a nice easy way of spreading your paint nice and evenly. Not that I needed to, because I will be spinning it again, and it will definitely, I just want a nice thick layer on there because I am going to spin it. So I'm going to layer a few colours on this. I'm going to layer nice bright red, and I'm going to layer a really nice turquoise, and I'm going to put this is the wicker yellow, so it's kind of like an orangey yellow or a dirty kind of yellow, but I really do like it. And I'll definitely add some gold to this. And then in between those areas, I'll add, oops. Well, this one's coming out white. I just remade up my paints the other day, so I've got plenty of paint to go on with. I might put a bit more of that turquoise in there because I really like it. So yeah, this is a black navy base. It was basically black with dark, the phthalo blue in, and it makes a real black navy. And you give it also a good hit of dark green, makes a really nice black navy. Now, what I'm hoping to do with this is, actually I might use, yeah, no, that one's good. I'm going to use my, got them made up in this. This is the Amsterdam Violet, just with Australian FLOETROL only. And I'm going to put some on my, if it will come out. There you go. And I'm going to swipe this really nice and slow. So let's give this a go. Wow, 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 wow. If I go back up that way, whether it will make any difference. Oh, I hope you can see those cells that are coming up. They're just beautiful. Again there. Lovely. Lovely. There's a bit of heat to that. So the base, my base is just my normal global acrylic paint with my normal pouring medium, which is in the drop down box underneath. And I'm just going to add some little embellishments to, you can basically do whatever your heart desires with this. You can leave it as it is, you can do some little embellishments as I'm doing here, but it's totally personal what you do. So I might, when this one's dry, use my Posca pens on it to embellish it a bit further, and if I remember I will try and add that to the video. But and then resin it. Wow, okay. And now I'm going to spin it. When I bring you down, actually I probably should bring you down before I do the spin because I want you to see that. Just look at these gorgeous effects. It's stunning. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Absolutely gorgeous in there. And with that, the gold that I added, the metallic gold, and it helps the whole thing as well to give that a bit of sparkle. So now we go for the spin out on it, but that's quite lovely. Rightio, let's do this thing. You probably could have some more colour in it, but I'm going minimalistic today. There you go. Let's go around the other way. Okay. Wow. I can see complete baby parrot's head there. It's cute. Wow, love it. When that is resin, that will actually pop. This is a very simplistic, minimalistic particular style. It's very easy for a beginner and it's really effective. And like I said, when that actually has resin, it really does become something else. It really does pop. So my lovelies, hopefully you enjoyed that quick and easy video today. Yeah, if you've got any questions, leave them down below in the comments box, and love to hear from you, and I will be back soon with a different video. Hopefully something else to get your creative juices going. So I will say bye for now. Take care.